2018 Mercedes-AMG GT. The Mercedes-AMG GT sports car family has grown to include no fewer than 5 road-going models in 2 years, and it's now getting an upgrade for the 2018 model year. If it sounds familiar, it's because this update was announced a few months back. But Mercedes-Benz just confirmed that the revised design features and boosted drivetrains will make it to the US for 2018. Or we could say that it has been reissued to remind us all that the AMG division is celebrating its 50th anniversary in 2017. In case you haven't been following us lately, the highlights for this upgrade include an AMG Panamericana grille and an active air management system for all versions of the sports car. Mercedes also introduced new output variants for the 4.0-liter V8, ranging from 469 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque to 577 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of twist. On top of that, each model gained specific improvements in the chassis department. Thank you for listening, and don't forget click subscribe this channel. See you, and bye bye.